But for the most part, it would be a burden to me because I hate counting.
But from what I study and my perspective for the future, I think it doesn't need statistic at all.
Does it break the ethics code?
Have you ever wondered why so many students struggle with statistics or even try to avoid it altogether? Statistics, often seen as a complicated subject, but it plays a vital role in research across many fields. That's why our group decided to investigate how students from Faculty of Social and Humanities perceive statistics, whether they think will beneficial, necessary, maybe even burden.
The data collection method used for this project was structured interviews. We get respondents from the Faculty of Political Science, Communication, Psychology, Law, and Management who were grouped by faculty and department to obtain the desired perspective from the Faculty of Social Science and Humanities.
Hello guys, my name is Hansu Putra Satriadi and I'm majoring in communication.
My name is Glenn Matthew Asan Sritonga and currently I'm majoring in psychology.
Miss Juan Kristen Situmayang, you can address me as Juan, and I'm from Faculty of Law.
Okay, my name is Jenny and I'm from management.
I'm Mega Dwi Kuswardani as political sciences.
I would think so because in psychology we will need to calculate the data of population that we are studying.
Yes, I think it will.
Yeah, I guess it would be needed, but yeah, like as I've said before, for my thesis only.
Yeah, I think it's good because in management we deal with numbers and data all the time. So learning statistics will be useful for future subjects.
So I think I would tend to feel burdened than feel it beneficial because from what I study and my perspective for the future, I think it doesn't need statistic at all.
I think it would only be beneficial for me when it comes to making my thesis, but for the most part, it would be a burden to me because I hate counting.
I think from my perspective as a political science student, statistics can be beneficial.
I think it will be more effective if we get our lecture by the university teachers because it will be more structured and taught by profession.
I think it should be studied formally because although I didn't study statistics at all, I think for now in the future every company and entity needs a statistician.
I don't think it necessarily needs to be a required course for universities per se, and I think like a lot of people and I would prefer like online courses as well, even though I know that a lot of us would wait until the last minute to take that online course.
Statistics will better learn in a proper class because I've tried learning by myself, but it's hard to understand, and having a lecture explain things step by step, it helps me a lot.
Okay.
I really learn statistics myself. Using data service makes it easier, but if I understand the basics, it helped me a lot when I do my thesis or research later.
I would do it myself and guide the lesson after.
Honestly, I think I would prefer to use the service. Does it break the ethics code?
From interview, we found that most respondents agreed that statistics is important and useful. The psychology and political science student state that statistics is essential for analyzing population data in their studies. The communication student saw that statistics is only relevant for thesis writing. Meanwhile, the management student say that statistics is related and beneficial for business activities. In contrast, the law student expressed that statistics has little to do with legal studies. Overall, the results show that while not all majors use statistics equally, most students recognize its potential value for academic research and professional application.
So where do we stand on this? Should statistics be a required course to all majors to study as a way to help them in their thesis later? Came to an agreement that if applied right, with a structure that is planned out thoroughly by adjusting the system to each and every needs of the social and humanities majors, statistics as a required course may be able to help students not just in their thesis but also in their major fields of study.
The results of the research and interviews show that most students recognize the importance of statistics, although its relevance varies across disciplines.
Psychology, political science, and management students consider statistics useful for data analysis and decision making, while communication and law students consider it less relevant, although still useful in the workplace. From the discussion, it was concluded that statistics should be a compulsory subject in all majors, as long as it is tailored to the characteristics and needs of each field, so that it can help students in writing their thesis and applying their knowledge in the future.